I will take the topic is YSA reference model. YSA means Open System Interconnection. These are 7 layers. First layer is application and second layer is presentation. Third layer is assembly.
Start.
Fourth layer is transport layer. Fifth layer is network layer. Sixth layer is application layer is also there the product. Product means this is prepare the data. And second layer is presentation layer. Presentation layer is which is convert the data in encoded. And third layer is session layer. Session layer is also encoded data, but difference is checkpoint. Means it checks the errors. And fourth layer is transport layer. Transport layer is the encoded data is converted to segments. And fifth layer is network layer. Network layer is means divided into packages in the encoded data. And sixth layer is data link layer. Data link layer is this package is converted into MAC address. MAC address means also media access. And last layer is digital layer. Digital layer is also store the data. Thank you.